boiler manufacturer who doesn't understand the gravity. So see this condensate flexi pipe, he left it, but they left it without a clip or anything. It's just a push way, and after years and years it just drops down and the water start to leak. Condensate water start to leak and ruin the boiler. I don't know which planet these guys are living. Definitely not Earth, because they don't understand the gravity will win. So on the annual check, can't even push my hands in there. Got the muffler out, the silencer, to access it, but that's on the way. You can push it this way, but I don't want to have any troubles. Just try to push my hand in there to push it up. It's impossible. I got it nearly up to the top, but there's a little bit. I would like to push it up and put a jubilee clip, but it's impossible. We'll try it anyway. There you have it. Boiler manufacturers who should be sacked or stopped from making boilers.